So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's afternoon live trading room of Trademy. This is Kyriakos Harilaou with an introduction and an update of what happened today in the Forex market. So good afternoon, Stephen, and I hope you can hear us very well. Let's start with the current position we have already running. We have shorted 5 lots Aussie dollar, more or less at the price where it is now. And we have placed our stop loss above the highs of the day, and this trade is currently aiming for $2,110. That's actually, if we realize this profit, this will be our biggest profit in a single trade from Forex trading, intraday Forex trading so far. And our risk is, of course, $1,540. So the risk to reward ratio is absolutely fine. What we have done this morning, as you can see, we started with a 5 lots position short early in the morning on dollar yen, and we got around $86. The good trades came a bit later. We have shorted pound dollar 5 lots, and we have realized a profit of $835. And just before a while, we also closed the take profit position on a short position on pound yen, and we have realized an additional $1,290. So for the moment, we are currently up $2,213. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at Trademy A. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our lovely videos where we trade live with you at Trademy Trading Room. And of course, you can visit our website at trademy.com to talk with our educational support team and decide which training program is most suitable to your trading needs and tactics and to your profile as a trader. So now we are currently looking on the Aussie dollar chart, and let me explain why I have entered a short position on that. As we can see, Aussie dollar, let's take the current day, it opened close to the highs, but then I saw some rejection here close to the highs, and the nice stuff now for Aussie dollar comes here. Now, what I observe from a technical point of view, this is called in technical analysis complex head and shoulder bearish trend continuation pattern. When we see a head and shoulders formation during a declining move, then it is considered a head and shoulders bearish continuation pattern. If we see that in an uptrend, it's a reversal pattern. Now, there are particular things about head and shoulders which I personally like a lot as a technical analyst. First of all, this head and shoulder that we can see here is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Let me show you what I mean. You see, this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. What I like on that is that this is a complex head and shoulders pattern. Why? Because it has 1, 2 left shoulders, 1 head, and has 1, 2, 3 right shoulders. So if we have 2, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 1, anything that is more than 1 is considered to be complex. Now, the other thing that I like is that this head and shoulders has what is called horizontal symmetry. It means that if I try to draw a neckline where I connect the bottoms of each neck, I see here that this trend line approaches a horizontal level of degree. That's why we call it horizontal symmetry complex head and shoulders top. Another thing that is very interesting is that it has negative skewness, which means that if we take the head, it means that the majority of the candles while forming this formation is to the right. And the other good thing that is equally important is that we have decreasing tops of the shoulders. This makes the pattern even more stronger than this. However, my only concern about this is that it has not yet been completed. Now, why I have entered a short position before a pattern completion? Simply because I have checked my checklist, and my checklist indicate me the signal to enter short before this pattern completes. If we see now, and now you are live with us, if we see now a close below this horizontal line, then you will see a sudden drop and a violent drop of the prices. And our target is at this level here. How we derived at this level? We have used Fibonacci analysis, Fibonacci extension analysis, and measurement of price targets analysis. This is as far as Aussie dollar is concerned. Now, the other two we have already traded, as you can see, dollar yen, so we don't have another trade on dollar yen. We have only traded pound dollar, we have only traded pound yen. We already have a position on Aussie dollar. And now the interesting pairs that we are currently monitoring is, first of all, dollar Canadian dollar. As you can see here, USD CAD refused. Let's go to the current day. We have a very strong resistance area here, as you can see, at around 129.60. It has tested it a lot of times and eventually didn't break it. So our setup says that we are waiting for the 15-minute chart of the MA10. You see the red line here? Let me remove all the rest in order not to be confused. We want the MA10 to cross below MA50, and on the 5-minute chart, the prices to close below all moving averages. So this has already been done. So the only thing that we are waiting to enter a short position is, first of all, to see a bearish cross of the moving averages on the 15-minute chart. And when I say bearish cross, I want the 10 moving average to cross below the 50 moving average, which is the yellow line. If we see that, then we will have a very nice short position setup, and I will be there. I will be here to trade it live with you. Now, the other two pairs that we are currently monitoring is dollar CHF, but we need to see a close above previous lows in order to trade it. So this is far away from the current market price. And euro dollar. For euro dollar, we cannot enter long positions yet. I want a deep correction on the 5-minute chart to enter long positions. Same case for dollar yen. You see, this is a very strong uptrend. I prefer to buy on dips rather than going there just blindly. So this is as far as Forex is concerned for the moment. Don't forget that we can monitor also the news through our forexlive.com website. And as we can see on forexlive.com, we have unemployment claims in a few minutes. Unemployment claims are coming out at 12:30 UTC time. So we expect some volatility here regarding unemployment claims. So let's wait. Welcome, Patrick, and nice to have you in the trading room. So let's see how patterns will behave. For those who have just joined us, let us repeat that we have a short position running on Aussie dollar for the reasons we have explained. We have a complex head and shoulder here with horizontal symmetry and negative skewness, but it's better to wait to break this level to go short. The reason I have entered it before is because my setup gave me a short position beforehand. Our target for this trade is, our risk is $1,540, and we are going for $2,110, and let's see how it behaves. So far, we have closed a short position on dollar yen. On dollar yen. Is it okay now, Patrick? Can you see the chart? Okay, so basically, we are waiting. We have entered the short position here because I have observed a complex head and shoulder with horizontal symmetry and negative skewness on the chart. Of course, is not okay to trade the charts before they are completed. Hello, George, and welcome. I'm just explaining my short position on Aussie dollar. You can follow me now if you wish. Is more or less at the same price where I have entered it. So let me write the trade here. We have shorted Aussie dollar. Our stop loss is at 0.7683. Our TP is at 0.7610. So that's a short position on Aussie dollar. Our risk for this trade, I repeat, is $1,540 because I'm trading with 5 lots. And our take profit for this trade is, if it's hit, it's going to be the biggest I got so far from LTR, live trading room. It will be 2,110 US dollars. Now, what we have done for the moment is not only yours, Patrick. Everybody's wife is always in our backs, don't worry. So what we have done so far, we have entered the short position in the morning. We got a few bucks, but the really good profits were on pound dollar and pound yen. We have realized $835 on pound dollar, and we have realized $1,294 on pound yen. The live trading room continues with today's session, and currently we have a short position in Aussie dollar. Now, the watch list includes now the pair of dollar CAD. So what we are waiting for dollar CAD to enter a short position, as we can see on the 15-minute chart, this dollar CAD pair has tried to break the highs of the day a lot of times here. Look at this resistance. It has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, guys. It didn't manage to break it, and now it's falling down. So we'll go with the trend. It is below the opening price of dollar CAD, so we will give it a try for a short position. The only thing that I'm waiting here to enter short is, of course, for MA10 to cross below MA50, and on the 5-minute chart, I want the moving averages to be in line. I mean, the MA10 below MA15, below MA200, and we will enter for short positions on dollar CAD only if this occurs. Now, so on euro yen now is all the way up today. I don't like personally to enter the position right now for long positions. I will check and see if I will enter long or short. So on dollar yen, basically I definitely want the prices to close below previous day's highs. So to examine for any long or short positions, and the highs of the previous days, it was this swing here. So we definitely need to, we should wait and see a retest of this price and then decide according to our checklist if we will enter long or short positions. Same case for euro dollar. Euro dollar, if this level is completed, is forming a nice triple top on the 5-minute chart, but short-term time frames are not reliable. Again, I'm waiting for the euro dollar, same story again for previous day's highs to be broken to the downside, have a 5-minute close below them, and then we will check what we will do and act accordingly. Hello, Wallen. How are you? And welcome to our live trading room. So, okay, let me give you, since you are all asking Elif, let's see what the indices are doing today. Elif, are you ready for a brief or not? Of course she is ready. She's always ready.
Always.
Okay, I'm changing presenter. I'm transferring them to you.
So thank you, Kyriakos, for the introduction. Once again, hello guys, hello George, hello Fanos, hello Beatrice, and hello Stephen, Patrick, Matthew, hello. Welcome to our place here. So, Alan was asking about DAX. Yeah, DAX. As you can see, I opened a position on DAX and currently I'm making $300 on. Thank you, Alan. Yeah, DAX and Italy 40 are our money makers the last few days, and today it will not change, and we will make money on Italy and on DAX, and maybe also on CAC today because it looks quite interesting. So we have an open position on DAX. Patrick, you short. Adrian, hello. Patrick, you shorted on Italy. Italy is at which price you shorted? It's a good place, but I was waiting to get a better price and to get a confirmation on Italy. But yes, it's you entered it to a quite okay price. I'm waiting to get a better price on Italy to enter here our market. We see right now on DAX, we have some movements. We are around $600 on DAX. So for everybody who didn't enter, please keep an eye on it. We might enter again. Hello, Jake. Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you. So I see. Yes, yes, Ellen, you shorted Italy 3 hours ago. Okay, yeah, for the last few hours it was moving. I think you made some money on Italy right now, right? I'm fine, Jake. How about you? So yeah, on DAX we have right now a sharp drop. We will wait a bit more and yes, we might close it. We might close it. Shall we wait for our take profit to hit? Let me see. George, why you are long on DAX? Why you are long? Let me see what's going on DAX. We should exit, or we can still wait a bit to exit. No, we wait a bit to exit. There is still a bit of money to get. There is still a bit money on DAX to get. Yes, James. Yeah, George, it's correct that you are short. I just I got confused with the long position on France, but short is good. Adrian, what indicators I'm using today? I'm a reversal trader. You know that I'm a reversal trader, and currently I'm using the Bollinger Bands, the moving average, and the stochastic oscillator to confirm the exit of a trade. This is what I'm doing. Yes, Ellen, and I'm still waiting if I should close my position. No, I will leave it a bit more open because I see the potential to get some more bucks over there. So let's have a look on France 40. As we said, our indices today are DAX, France 40, and Italy 40. Those ones we will have a look. Hello, Jeff. Welcome. Welcome to. So on France 40, I don't see a nice entry right now, but we have it on our watch list. Let's see what else. Italy 40. Guys, I'm going into Italy 40. I know that it's a downtrend I'm in. I'm selling right now Italy 40. I sold Italy 40 at 21,802. Yes, Ellen, let's go. I sold Italy 40. Let's write it down short. And where we put our, so we put our target prices quite sharp over here because I expect on Italy 40 a sharp movement. So I will put my take profit here at 21,770, and my stop loss I will put on day high is 21,885. This is what I will put. So there we go. So I put my Italy 40 position short. What do you mean German stocks, Jake? So short Italy 40 at we bought it at 21,820 and we put our stop loss at 21,885 and our take profit at 21,770. There we go. Great. Nasdaq long. Ellen, let's see. We couldn't reach Nasdaq, the US shares still. We will get there. So Nasdaq, let's go one by one, not to rush, right? Here, what's going on UK 100, on the FTSE, not big. Dow Jones, let's see Dow Jones. In the middle range, you see it had a nice movement during morning hours, and then we had a nice wave down, and now it's in the reconciliation part. Richard, welcome. Nice to meet you. Long time no see, Richard. So here, yes, I see. Nasdaq, you are right, Patrick. It's a very nice entry point. It's a very, very nice entry point here. Yes. Let's get a bit better price for me. It will drop a bit. And once it's getting a better price, I will go long over here on Nasdaq as well. Yes, I will go long also at Nasdaq. Let's see. Come on, go bit down, baby. Yeah, a bit more down. You see, we had here across over on the 1 minute charts. I expect the price to go a bit down to enter a long position. Josh, welcome. A millionaire. Okay, depends on what you want to put in, you know. I'm expecting here to get a bit better price to enter the markets. Okay, a bit better price because on the 1 minute chart I expect a drop. So once it goes a bit down, I will enter with a long position. We trade reversals, and here we have a reversal coming very close to us, so we can enter a long position over here. Getting ready, guys, getting ready for our long position on down. So I'm going long. So we just opened a Nasdaq position, long Nasdaq for today, our third trade for today. Our third trade for today, let's see where we put our target prices. Let's make a short analysis where we put our target prices. You see it has a nice, it's on a nice support level where we entered. So we will put our target prices accordingly. Let me see. 7,226, 36. Yes. 36 and stop loss 2000. Let me see, I have to calculate now what we will risk and what we will get out. So 7,200. Yes, this is good. And 7,001. Yes. So we had now so Let me see. I made it bit too. No, I will modify my. So this is what I will modify, and here as well I modify a bit. There we go. So let's see. Okay, guys. I opened a long position on USA 100 at 7,205, and my stop loss is at 7,194, and my take profit is at 7,229. So let me see, Ellen. Yes, we love you. You love Trademy. We love you, Ellen. So referral program. Yes, we do have a referral program, Ellen. Please get in touch with one of our support agents. They can help you and inform you about our referral programs and what it includes. So, Patrick, you want to get $1,000 in your pocket. I'm sure your wife wants it back from you, right, for this money. Jack, how I calculate my risk. Basically, you have to see how much margin you invest and how much you are willing to lose on a position and how much you are willing to gain from a position. A detailed risk analysis and risk management you can get in our Trademy.com platform. You will get information over there. Please talk to our support agents. They will inform you about the packages we have, which includes risk analysis and risk management. So, Ellen, you are up 3,000 euros. Great, great, great. Yeah, you got a good entry point, Ellen. So this is good, good. Patrick, you hear what Ellen is saying? He's making right now $3,000 on Italy 40. It's good, right? So I see my colleague Kyriakos would like to tell you something, a short update. So we will see you in a few minutes.
So thank you, Elif, for the pass. So since we are all men here today, I don't know, the woman just disappeared. Maybe because we are blaming them that they are in our back. Hello, James. Hello, George. Hello, Alan again. Good evening. Hello, Jake. This is the Forex trading desk of Trademy. Don't call me sir. I'm just 36 years old. Don't make me feel like an old guy. So, this is a quick update. Hello, Emma. Okay, we have a woman there. So stop blaming women right now. We have Emma in the trading room. Welcome, Emma. And nice to have you
Kyriakos,
back.
you forgot me?
No, not at
all. Come on.
So, okay, just a quick update on the dollar CAD. It seems to be approaching our short position setup. Basically, what we're waiting for dollar CAD, and before we mention about dollar CAD, let's say that we have a short position on Aussie dollar that we have explained before. I will come back to this position in a while. Let me talk about dollar CAD now. Dollar CAD, as we can see for today, no, I'm not hiding, don't worry, I will switch on my camera. So short euro dollar, not yet, we are getting there, we will decide. I will talk about euro dollar, I will talk about euro yen, and I will talk about dollar CAD. These are actually the three FX pairs that they have the possibility of giving us a short position. So wait for the moment, we are waiting confirmations. Now, what is important on dollar CAD is that, as we can see, the opening price was here. The price tried to close above this very strong resistance level, as it seemed. It tried it 7 times. It didn't manage to break above it, and actually now is declining. What we are waiting here, basically, we are waiting based on our checklist. We are waiting on the 15-minute chart for the red MA, MA10 to cross below MA50. I'm personally using the triple moving average trading system. If you don't know how to use and trade in practice the triple moving average trading system, please feel free to visit our website at trademy.com. You can talk with our educational support team there, and they will guide you as to the most appropriate training package that we currently offer. Also, me and Elif, we are always available for a one-to-one live session, me for forex trading, Elif for CFDs and commodities, in order to show you exactly how we apply advanced technical tools like triple moving average trading system technique, and trading live with you in one-to-one session. Now, I'm waiting, as I said, for the 15-minute chart for the red MA, the slower MA to close below MA 50. And of course, on the 15-minute chart, I want a bearish setup to be formed. Now, what is a bearish setup? On a triple moving average trading system. So basically, I want the short-term moving average to be lower than the medium-term moving average, and both of them to be lower than the long-term moving average. Since I'm using 10, 50, and 200, I want here the 10, above it the yellow one, and above all the SMA 200. George, when you use indicators, do you always use 5-minute candle charts? Yes, I'm always using 5-minute candlestick charts, always in combination with 15-minute chart, because George, for me, I have back tested them for the past 13 years, and I believe that for intraday trading, they give the higher success rate results. It's not good to use a very short-term time frame with a very long time frame. 1 minute has many whipsaws. 5-minute for intraday trading filters better the noise, and the whipsaws are actually 72% less on 5-minute chart patterns rather than 1-minute chart patterns, 73% less. Ichimoku is my favorite indicator, but not for the style of trading we are adopting in this trading room. That's why we have adjusted, and as you can see in the last few live trading rooms, I'm no longer using Ichimoku because it delays the entry level signals. You are very welcome. Now, what we are expecting on the ACAD, I have said that. Now, coming back to the current trade we have, for those who just joined our trading room, here I have shorted Aussie dollar, and I have observed a complex head and shoulders formation with horizontal symmetry and negative skewness. It's a very advanced concept in technical analysis. If you don't understand, yes, they sound like Chinese. We are doing Chinese here, lessons as well, Valen. So basically, this is a complex head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern with negative skewness and horizontal symmetry. Personally, these patterns have a very high success rate. If we break below the red line here, we will see a sharp decline, guys. I mean, the price will go off the chart. It's a very high probability trade, and actually we are going for the biggest single trading profit we have done so far in this live trading room for 2,110 US dollars. Hopefully we get it today and not be forced to leave it overnight. And our risk, of course, is always less, $1,540. Remember, the money management and risk reward ratios, I personally like for intraday trading 1-to-1 minimum. Is preferable to have more than 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Now, regarding euro dollar that someone was asking me, euro dollar, I will touch it only if I see a break below the previous day's highs at this level exactly where I have drawn it on the chart. If I touch it before, it can go anywhere. The same for euro yen. We definitely need to see a test of the previous highs, guys. If we don't have a test of the previous highs, I don't care. It can go to 120, can go to 121. Dollar yen is a falling knife. We have already closed the position on dollar yen. As you can see, so far we have closed 3 positions: dollar yen, pound dollar, and pound yen. We are not touching it again. We got our profits. We are not touching it again. I will transfer you to Elif. She has an update, and then I will come back with more updates on euro dollar and euro yen. Go on, Elif.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Guys, Ellen, yes, it smells like a green day and the money is coming. The money is coming. The money is coming. You see my DAX position. Currently, we are making 1,180 bucks on it, and our Italy position, which we opened just a few minutes ago, just 10 minutes ago, is making right now 500 bucks. So it's a smelling ching ching. Yes, Ellen. Yes, yes, yes. So now get ready. The position is going to close. Get ready. Get ready. In few minutes, we will hit our target on DAX. Shall we close it or shall we wait? Shall we close it or shall we wait? What you say? What you say, guys? What you say? Let's close. Let's wait. Okay, Jeff. Let's keep the money. There we go. Ching ching. It closed our let's see. There we go. We just closed 1,325 bucks on Germany. Just yes, Adrian, I'm glad. So it's a green day. Money is smelling over here. Great. Let's see. Also our Italy 40 position. Guys, we are making 1,300 bucks on Italy. I'm closing it. I closed it. Another one trade, guys. Currently we are making 2,565 bucks on our account of today, guys. Look at it. Is this nice? This is nice. Yes, we made in less than 20 minutes on Italy 41,041 bucks. That's good. That's good. Thank you, Eve. Thank you, George. I think you all traded with me and you made money with it, right? Ching, ching. Let's say it together. Ching, ching. So, yeah, Ellen, ching, ching. So while I'm analyzing now a bit more the markets to see some nice entry points, I will pass. Now I want to drink. Yeah, come on. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way, right? I'm passing now to Kyriakos because I interrupted him. Sorry, Kyriakos, for the interruption.
I will say it again, Elif. I wish I have all these interruptions all the time. So well done, Elif. Well done, guys. For those of you who have traded successfully these two trades, that's why we are here for you. That's why we are making this live in front of your eyes. We are trading live. Welcome to Trademy's Trading Room. Welcome to the Money Show. Now, our dollar cut position is approaching the setup for short positions. Unfortunately, Forex is a bit slower than indices. We need to be patient, of course, and we need to make the correct entry levels. So as we can see, basically we are waiting for the red MA, the MA10 to cross below MA50 is getting there, guys. Get ready for a short position on dollar cut. We are approaching the entry level as soon as everything is set up on and corrected. I can, Alan, you will be off for the rest 3 days. Why? What happened with your wife? Is there a problem? No, I'm just joking. I hope everything is okay. Okay, I understand. Here we have an empathy. I mean, I have the same things with you. Don't worry. How many kids do you have, Alan? I have 2 boys. What about you? 2 dogs. Okay, nice to hear that. All right, so we are approaching now the setup for short positions. In the meantime, our Aussie dollar trade is making some money, but 22 kids, Josh? Zebras, okay. It seems that we are okay. Good for you. God help you to grow them up, Josh. So our Aussie dollar trade is in the money, but as I said, if we see a close below this level, guys, you will see it live. It will just disappear from the chart. I mean, the decline will be huge. So we are waiting for a close below this level. So for the moment, we are monitoring dollar cut on the 15-minute chart. I repeat, we need this red MA to get below the yellow MA. We are using the triple moving average trading system. So let's wait for it. And let's see again, euro yen and euro dollar. I don't think we will have any more trades on them today because I need to see them breaking below these highs, which was the previous day's highs. So just to sum up again what we have done today, by visiting our account history, we have shorted dollar yen in the morning. We have made just a small profit. We are waiting for dollar CAD, Allen. Basically, I will go for a short position, not long position, but I need to wait for confirmation. Our second trade was on pound dollar. This morning we made a successful trade, and our third trade was on pound yen. Currently we are short Aussie dollar, and we are waiting for a short position setup on dollar CAD. Now, if you wish, Alan, to go long dollar CAD, you can try that, but as you can see, this resistance level is very strong. It seems to be very strong. Of course, we will see what happens when the time comes. So for the moment, yes, it was a very good day today. So for the moment, Alan, we are waiting to get a short confirmation. Unless we get it, we don't push the button. Okay, so remember, we need patience. Okay, and patience is very important. So we definitely need to have patience when we are trading. Now, if you have any questions regarding how we trade and or what the triple moving average system is, or what is the complex head and shoulders pattern with vertical symmetry and negative skewness, these are very advanced technical analysis concepts. Please feel free to visit our website at trademy.com, and our educational support team will be more than happy to assist you, and we can even have, with me or with Elif, a great one-to-one session in order to explain you these terminologies and show you live how we trade them in FX market, on CFDs and indices and commodities with Elif. As I said, George, I have just answered your question. You can, of course, visit our website at trademy.com, okay? And you are very welcome. And our educational support team, they are experts on this. They will guide you to the most appropriate training program that fits you, and we will see about it. Pound dollar short, okay? My philosophy is if you trade it once for today, you don't touch it again. So we have shorted pound dollar in the morning. We have made our bucks. We don't touch it again. Simply forget it, guys. I mean, you don't need to be greedy. We have shorted it again. We have shorted it this morning. We don't touch it again. That's my philosophy. What is this blue line, Jake? For which blue line are you referring to? The blue line here, I just selected this trade on MT4 platform. Are you referring that? Exactly, Alan. You start to get my point. Don't change the market. Just change the money opportunities, not the market. Let the market comes to you. All right. So I just click on the trade and it becomes blue. Why you are using, Jake? I don't understand your question about why you are using. Okay, guys. You are talking about this blue line here. This is the entry level of my short position, Jake. Okay, if you have any questions regarding how to operate an MT4 platform, again, you can visit our website, and our educational experts will assist you even on that. We even have recorded video lectures which how to use the MT4 platform. All right, great. So that's it for regarding Forex. Just a small thing that I wanted to remind you. I also posted it on the chat room. We just had at around 20 minutes ago unemployment claims on the US. The figure came more or less as expected. They were expecting 223K. It came out at 222K. The next important announcement is at 3:15 UTC time on Canadian. We have the BOC government Bolos talking. I don't think it will, regarding Canadian dollar. Do you observe, as we observe Aussie dollar, do you think there is any correlation Aussie dollar and gold? Okay, guys, regarding correlations, there is a whole chapter in our educational training programs. Usually Aussie dollar goes with gold, and usually dollar CAD goes against oil. However, this should not be your basis when you trade pairs. Okay, I mean, each chart, each forex pair, each commodity chart is a different entity. Okay, and I'm sure if you have been trading in the markets for a few years, somebody will say that, okay, euro dollar and euro yen go together, or pound dollar and euro dollar go together. That's not always the case. So correlations, usually when oil falls, dollar CAD goes up. Okay, and usually when dollar CAD goes up, Aussie dollar falls. So we have two mirror FX pairs there, dollar CAD and Aussie dollar. But today I have shorted Aussie dollar, and I'm looking for a short position as well on dollar CAD if the setup is made. So you will see, for example, me having short Aussie dollar and short dollar CAD. I mean, these are two pairs which usually they trade on different directions. But as I said, if the setup on dollar CAD is fulfilled. So I hope you have answered your questions. Do you have any other questions to ask me regarding Forex, regarding correlations, regarding technical analysis? Please feel free to write them on our chat room. So for the moment, we are monitoring euro and dollar, euro yen, and dollar CAD. Nothing for the moment. Aussie dollar. Okay, let's see now. This is a historic time for me. We have a complex head and shoulders pattern with horizontal symmetry and negative skewness. And as I said, as soon as we see a 5-minute close below this line, this is a very interesting phenomenon. I told you that the price will fall off the chart. Let's switch to the 1-minute chart now and see it live, guys. This is one of the trades that I like. This is one of the patterns that I like. Let's watch the price falling rapidly now. We have been waiting for this the whole day. That's our $2,000 trade. We definitely want to see the price falling like crazy now. If not, I will start to worry. We are watching the 1-minute chart live. We have a horizontal symmetry complex inverse head and shoulder with negative skewness on Aussie dollar. We want the market, we want the price now to crash. Let's see what happens. Let's monitor it a few more minutes. Let's see if it falls with aggression. We definitely want this now to fall with aggression. And it's falling, guys. And it's falling, and it will fall even faster. Okay? We are expecting a rapid decline upon the pattern completion on the 1-minute chart. This is live. We shorted Aussie dollar, and let's see how it goes. So, look at it. I mean, technical analysis, guys. Technical analysis, you need to learn technical analysis. Visit our website. And I'm here for a one-to-one session. Liv is there for a one-to-one session. We are making money on Aussie dollar. We are expecting a rapid crash of Aussie dollar. We have observed a head and shoulders reversal pattern with negative skewness, horizontal symmetry. We have shorted it, and this is the result we are waiting. I mean, usually these patterns has a high success rate. Of course, at any time we can be wrong, but we are trading with probabilities. As I said before, if you have traded that, my philosophy is I never close positions. They will either hit stop loss or take profit. If you are happy with the results, you can close the position at any time you wish, okay? I mean, it's your account, you are the risk manager of your account, and that's it. So, Liv, do you have any updates on any trades that you have placed, or do you want me to go another roundup regarding Forex trading?
No, I want to short update about the UK 100. I just opened, for everybody who didn't see on chat, I opened a UK 100 long position, and for all those ones who didn't manage to enter, Right now the price is still okay to enter. If you want to enter, do it. Also, towards Richard, he was trading on a friend's account. Richard, never trade on somebody else's account. It's your account which you have to trade on. So now that you did it, just tell me at which price you entered and we see what we can do.
All right. Thank you, Elif. So somebody's asking me, I think it was Alan, uh, why didn't you go more than 5 lots? Because nothing is for sure. I mean, technical analysis is a forecasting tool. Every forecasting tool has a significant statistical error that can be wrong. I mean, maybe now we see it okay, we see it very fine, and suddenly we hit stop loss. So I don't want to burn the account. So money management, risk management, Alan. So let's see how it develops. So regarding now dollar cut, let's switch back to the 5-minute chart on Aussie dollar. Tries to break, it will break. Let's see. Now dollar cut, we are waiting for the setup of a short position. We didn't get it yet. Let me remind you what we are waiting. We are waiting for too much nervousness on dollar cut. Too much nervousness on dollar cut this morning today, suddenly out of nowhere. Let's see how it behaves. I mean, the markets on dollar cut are really nervous now, and it's like what happened the previous days. So let me explain what I'm waiting. So basically, I'm waiting on the 15-minute chart for the MA10 to cross below MA50, and then I want on the 15-minute chart to have the synchronization of the triple moving average trading system for a long position. I want the red, then the yellow, and then the purple. For the moment, the yellow is above the purple. I want them to be in line. This lower than this, and this lower than this. So for the moment, nothing to say on dollar cut. We just have a trade on Aussie dollar, and we are pending for euro yen. I don't believe we will have a position on euro yen. Today, I'm waiting for the test of the previous day's highs. Okay, somebody is asking for your assistance, Liv, Richard, so I'm transferring on to you.
Thank you, Kyriakos. So, Richard, basically, I see that you entered the position on Brent oil a few days ago because the price was like 3 days ago at that level, and I guess you entered the price over there. So, what you can do in this case, hedging is one possibility, but the long-term trend of Brent oil looks an uptrend. It had a down, it hit his down level, and it seems like it will go up. So if your friend has still the possibility in his account to hold the position, try to hold it a few days, but if the hedging gap is too big, don't trap in the mistake of keeping positions, hedging positions, and not being able to close anything. So Ellen is totally right. Richard, your friend should join us to make some money and see. Hedging, well, it depends on at which price you hedged on Brent oil. If the hedging position is if the hedging gap is too big, then it's a bit risky. When it's a bit lower, hedging is a difficult issue. I have to say, hedging is a difficult issue. If you like, we can book a one-to-one session so we can have a look together on your position and discuss about it. What do you think, Richard? Shall we make a one-to-one session? Yes, I think so. Yeah, please talk. Great. Please talk to our support agents. They have access to our nice our calendars, and they can arrange very soon one-to-one session so we can talk about your position and your hedging strategies. Great. So, Ellen, promotions for upgrade soon. Yeah, Nasdaq. Yeah, first of all, for the promotion, Ellen, again, get in touch with our support agents. They know about our promotions. We are going to have some promotions very soon, so maybe you can get something over there. Nasdaq, what about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is making a small profit. It's in a good pattern. This is what we want. Nasdaq, we had some news coming from the States. That's why it's right now in a very nice uptrend, as you can see, for the last few days, and we are making money over here, as we should, right? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, George, you went short. Now long money again. That's good. That's good. That's good. You trade the wave, right, George? That's good. That's good. This is how it should be. Now, getting back to the markets, our UK position is also getting there. We will make also some money maybe before you look at yes, look at Nasdaq, this nice spike over here, and we will get some more money here. This is good. So regarding DAX, on DAX we end the trade, and I believe I will go long again here on DAX, because I believe that for a short term we will make some money. So I will open a buy position on DAX, guys. I'm going long on DAX for a very short time, so I can get the wave. It will not hold for long, this trend, this long trend. We will enter the market, and once we make a bit of money, we will close this position, because this is not a trend which will hold long. It will be a short-term trade, just went long to scalp a bit the market. So if you want, join also now long on DAX. So let's see where we would never put a position naked. We put always our target prices. Our target price of today of this position is long position. There we go. Where is my market watch? Hold on. Where is my nice market watch? Here we go. So I will so I will go here. Yes, I'm expecting to exit this position. Yeah, never mind. I'm expecting this position to exit at 12,000. Not much profit here, but as we said, it's a short-term trade. So I'm expecting here to exit the market at 12,840, and our stop loss is at 12,790. Yes, this is our target price. So we just modified it. As I said, here I don't expect to hold this position for long. It's a short-term trade. I will just recap for you. DAX long at 12,825. Guys, if you don't follow us on Twitter, please change it. You can all follow us on Twitter and get updates about our trades. For everyone who is not on Twitter following us, you can get updates about our trades on Twitter. So you are, yes, Alan, you are in. You got a better price. Good. If you are not following us, please follow us on Twitter to get updates about our trades. So let's have a look what Italy 40 is doing right now. Italy 40. After we got our nice move here, it started to be in a very narrow price. Yeah, not much volatility here currently, so not much to get on Italy 40 for now. Let's see our Nasdaq position. Here's still some air to get money. I will leave it. So our UK position. Yes, this is how we want our UK position. It's going up and it will hit our take profit soon. As you see, here is our take profit limit and it's getting there. Let's get ready. It's getting there. DAX, let's see again on DAX. Yes, also here we had a short pullback, but as you can see on the stochastic oscillator, the trend goes up and we will get here some money in once the trend is going up. As I said, here we don't expect to keep this position for a long time. It's a very short-term trade and we will close it once we get the price. So let's see gold and silver. What's going on gold and silver? So let's have a look on silver. Yeah, we had some news coming from the States this morning, and during that time it had a clear uptrend. Before that we had this narrow price movement. Now we end up again in a narrow price movement, not much to get. Let's see gold. It was nice, this movement, and we missed it. It was the time when we were getting euphoric about Italy 40 and DAX. So oil. What do you think? Shall we enter oil? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Okay, something is moving. Nasdaq, we haven't. Our S&P position, if we should open any S&P. No, 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 no. So beforehand, you were asking Kyriakos about correlations. I have to say that DAX is negatively correlated to Euro USD. It's a difficult topic, I know, but in general, I mean, you know, DAX is the index of the 30 biggest companies in Germany. And when you check those companies, they're exporting companies, including BMW, Volkswagen, ThyssenKrupp. They are all exporting companies. So if Euro USD, if the euro is weak, the exporting companies are exporting more because it's cheaper for countries to buy from the European Union and from Germany. So the demand on their goods is increasing. So if the euro is weak, the DAX has a positive effect. This is some correlation which is very important for me. When I see there is a strong euro on the market, I tend on DAX to sell. But this is just a small information, by the way. So I see you are discussing actively about some positions, regarding some forex positions. I will shortly pass to Kyriakos. He has some updates for you, and we will talk in a short while, guys.
Thank you very much for the pass, Elif. And now we are watching live Aussie dollar. As you can see here, again, the price went up and then below our key level here. Now, most probably now we will see the big decline in Aussie dollar, and we will see it live with you upon completion of the complex head and shoulders pattern. We are expecting a big decline on Aussie dollar, a rapid decline on Aussie dollar, but we will see what happens. Let's put it on hold for the moment. Now, regarding dollar CAD, it seems that dollar CAD, which moves opposite to oil, remember that in the beginning we said that it had a huge resistance level here, which didn't break. Now it fell down and down. It has rebounded very excitingly. Excellent, good job, Matthew. Well done. You made $150 on pound dollar. That's good enough. So we observe an impressive rebound on dollar CAD. This makes my checklist change, guys. If I see a new highs on new highs, if I see a close above the yesterday's highs on dollar CAD, I will change my scenario and most probably I will go for a long position instead of short. That is only if I see a close above the highs of yesterday's, which was approximately at 129.63. So here, more or less. If I see a close above this level, then I will change my scenario, and instead of short positions, I will be looking for a setup to go long on USD Canadian dollar. Let's see what Euro Yen is doing. Okay, we had a decline, a significant decline on Euro Yen, 20 pips. So if we have another 20 pips decline, then we will check our setup for any long or short positions. The same for Euro dollar. For the moment, all eyes are on Aussie dollar and that we currently have a position, and dollar CAD to look for a long or short position according to the setup that we will see. So that's all for me for the moment. Stay in the trading room. We will have 1.5 hours more. If we have any updates, we will come live to you, unmute our microphones and explain to you exactly how we traded or if we change anything. So stay with us. If there is a trading opportunity, we will come to you and talk to you live and trade in front of you. Okay? So I will transfer you to Elif. For me, for the moment, I'm muting my microphone, but if I have any update, I will jump into the trading room and update you accordingly. Thank you.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you, Kyriakos. I see a nice entry level also again on Italy 40. I tend to enter the market, but I don't have a confirmation from my second indicator. I tend to enter here a long position. So guys, please be aware of the situation on Italy 40 and keep a close eye on it. It's very important. And next entry level might be closed. So Adrian, you are losing on DAX. Yeah, it has a short, as I said, it has a short pullback, but it will get there. So no worry about it. Shortly we will close the position on DAX. We put our take profit, our target price quite narrow. So we will get over there a profit. No worry, Adrian, it's all good. Yes, Adrian, but come on, we made beforehand within 20 minutes, 2,500 bucks is not bad, right? I hope you entered the market back then in the morning when we made it. So overall, up to now, we had 3 trades. On these 3 trades, we made $2,565. all good. All good. Yeah, Nasdaq is right now going high and giving us some profits. Nasdaq, yes, where is Nasdaq? Is giving us some profits, as you see. Yes, we might exit here our market. Let me see, we had the crossover. Yeah. Yes, here we will short. Okay, this dropped. No worries, guys. We will hit our target prices over here. We will hit today our target prices. So, Fanos, you want to know about gold? As we said, oh, what happened on gold? What's going on? Everything is quite crazy right now. As you see, it's crazy volatility. Kyriakos, do you know why? It's quite volatile.
Too much nervousness, indeed. Too much nervousness.
Can you please check on Forex Live if there
For
is
the
any
moment,
news?
no, there are no news. It happened to me. I mean, in the previous live trading rooms with dollar cut, we have nervousness, especially on indices at this moment. An unexplained volatility occurs. We have to be very careful. Oh my God, what's that? Oh, you missed that leaf or not?
Yes.
Sure. Okay.
The 1 minute charts on US
In
100.
Forex, everything is okay. I don't see any nervousness. For the moment, everything seems to be okay. In Forex.
Let's check on Forex Live if anything is coming up. Let's check together what's going on over there. On Forex Live. I don't see anything which explains this unusual volatility. Okay.
This is one of the reasons, guys, that you need to make sure that your money management and risk management is always in place. Okay. I suggest no panicking. Okay. It happens.
No panicking, guys. No
Patient.
panicking. Our everything is good. We have 3 open positions currently, and we are losing on those 3 positions just $600 altogether. So there is no big panic. Everything is. Yeah, let's check on Twitter.
Alan,
You are right.
Alan, Trump and Twitter are brothers. So.
So yeah, Richard, how come since you are hedged, how come yet your free margin dropped to 150? However, guys, so okay, don't worry about DAX because DAX will recover if you can sustain a bit more the position. It will recover. Oh, okay, I see. So there is go Nasdaq, yeah. Oh, we hit stop loss on our Nasdaq position. We hit stop loss. We lost over here 224 bucks. Ellen, you shorted, right? Yeah, good for you, Ellen. It's an unexpected volatility right now and on the markets. We don't know why. We check right now the Forex Live page. And we go, yeah. Richard, your margin is gone. I think your general overall risk management was not very well thought. You should. Yeah, if you, I guess your risk management was not very well thought, Richard. You should maybe visit once again our risk management course to get an update over there to improve your skills, because if you lost this amount of money, we have to analyze your risk management. Correct, Patrick. So guys, going back to our trading, the market is slowing down a bit, which is good. We will keep a close eye on it, what's happening and what's going on. We will update you on Twitter. Please stay in our chat room. Richard, DAX will cover. It's a position, it's a price which right now everything on the indices is getting crazy right now, but it's a fast movement, a short time fast movement. So we will get there. We have put our stop loss and take profit targets according to our money, and it will be okay. So please, we will keep you posted on Twitter, and also on if there is anything very important, we will keep you updated over here. Thank you for listening. Overall, we made today $2,341,000 on DAX, Italy 40, and S&P. So it's a good day. Oh, we had also one losing position, but overall it's a good trading day. I see Kyriakos would like to tell you something from myself. Ellen is up. Great, Ellen. I'm glad for you. So Kyriakos would like to talk to you from myself. Thank you for being with us, and we will update you on Twitter.
Thank you very much, Elif. So I just wanted to say that you have to be very careful, guys, when you are placing a position. You must always have in place your money management and risk management policies. You need to have your exiting position strategies so that you don't burn accounts. So be careful about your leverage you are using. Now, a quick update on Dollar Cat. I mean, this rebound was really impressive on Dollar Cat. Okay, it was not expected from me, but still, as soon as it doesn't make new highs and close above yesterday's highs, I'm still looking for short position, guys, on USD Cat. Currently, we have our short position on Aussie dollar. Something is going wrong here. It should be much lower. However, we will wait. We are not losing our patience. We are not losing our trading discipline. We stick to our system. Regarding Euro Yen, nothing to be said for the moment. If I have any update for the next 1.5 hours, so stay with us for the next 1.5 hours. We will be here live with you. If we have any updates, we will enter, switch on our microphones, and you can see us trading live with you. For the moment, we have a short position on Aussie dollar regarding Forex trading. We are waiting for the setup of a long or a short position on dollar cat, saying for dollar CHF, euro dollar, and euro yen. So if we're lucky enough, we will get 4 more trades, make some more money. So stay with us and we will keep you updated. Thank you. So welcome back. As we see, eventually the movement on Aussie dollar has started and it's going to be great, guys. I mean, all probabilities now are within our sight. We are looking for on Aussie dollar. It has completed the head and shoulders pattern. This 5-minute looks very bearish. We get confirmations from both MACD and RSI oscillators, and I'm expecting a violent drop now, as I said before, on Aussie dollar. And most probably it will reach our take profit, and also very quickly we are heading towards, I repeat, the biggest profitable trade on Trademy's live trading room for the moment. From the day we have started on forex trading, I'm talking about, up to now, we are aiming for $2,110, and now I'm expecting a sharp decline on Aussie dollar, and we are watching it here live with you. We had the break. We see now lower lows below the break line. Let's hope that this time the market will drop and not enter into consolidation like it did the previous time it tried to break below it. Interestingly, pound dollar, let's check pound dollar. Just a moment, Richard. Just a moment, Richard, to check on pound dollar. Pound dollar is good. What do you have in mind for short or long positions? Richard, what do you have in mind? Long, I don't like to catch a falling knife. Richard, and as I said, I personally don't want to trade again pound dollar. We already had a winning position, short position. If you want to trade it long, for me, it doesn't make any sense to go long today, especially if it makes new lows. So if you want, you can try it for long, but make sure your stop loss is below today's lows. So if you want, how can you go long on that? It's very risky. Okay, Richard, it's too bad. Okay, don't make the mistake that all the people are doing. I mean, you have entered a trade for intraday trading and suddenly you become a long-term investor. So my philosophy, accept the loss, get out of the market, get a nice sleep tonight. Okay, you are a long-term investor. The long-term trend of pound dollar actually is not up. Okay, it's actually down, most probably towards 125. Okay, we are short on Aussie dollar. I have entered the short position on Aussie dollar. I don't want to go long because I have explained that we have seen a head and shoulders pattern, especially on the 5-minute chart is more visible. It has broken nicely below it. Now it consolidates. I don't think this is a bottom. I think the price will collapse and break sharply down and reach our take profit level for our short positions. So what I'm actually looking at right now is for the probability of enter long positions on dollar CAD. I definitely want to see, let me check my systems here. I definitely want to see a close above the highs of the day, of the previous day. We didn't observe that for the moment. So I'm waiting to see highs for the day. As I said, dollar CAD and Aussie dollar usually move in opposite directions. They are negatively correlated pairs. So as soon as we see the break on dollar CAD, most probably we will see, as soon as we see an upside break on dollar CAD, most probably we will see a downside break on Aussie dollar. And I believe this is the reason why the Aussie dollar does not fall, that we don't see the sharp decline, bam, 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 like we expected. But let's keep monitoring these two pairs. just to show you how the correlations work. Not always, but the majority of the time we have a negative correlation between dollar CAD and Aussie dollar. It doesn't mean that because dollar CAD will go up, necessarily Aussie dollar will go down, but in this case, this is the scenario that we are examining. So let's closely monitor Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. The one is breaking to the downside, the other one is trying to break to the upside. I hope we see a break here to the upside in order to check also the correlations. Just a moment to switch off a few charts just to keep them monitoring on the same screen. So this is, let me fix my charts. So let's get rid of dollar yen and euro dollar. Let's stick on Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. So these are the two correlations. Check the correlation, guys, now live. As soon as we see, let's see what will happen here. We say that there is a negative correlation between these two. The one is breaking to the up, as you can see. The other one is breaking to the downside. We have already opened a short position on Aussie dollar. We want to see a break on dollar CAD followed by to the upside, followed by a break to the downside on Aussie dollar. However, I'm examining dollar CAD. If it makes new highs and closes above them, I will examine the possibility also for long positions on dollar CAD. Currently, we are still looking for short positions on dollar CAD. But let's see it live now as it's happening, just to see the correlations that exist between FX pairs. As you can see, that this one tries to break current day's highs, and this one has actually broken below current day's lows. So here we are the current day's lows, where we stand right now. We didn't have a close below the lows yet. So it seems that Aussie dollar will move first to the downside, and then dollar CAD will move to the upside. That is speculation. These are hypotheses. Unless we see it happening, nothing is certain. So we are monitoring now live. We see the correlation between the FX pairs. As I said, dollar CAD has a negative correlation most of the times with Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD is trying to make new highs. Aussie dollar is trying to break to the downside. Stay with us, and if we have any update, I will inform you accordingly. Most probably, if dollar CAD breaks up and we see a violent break on Aussie dollar, most probably we will get it to our take profit before the end of of today's trading session, which is approximately in 1 hour and 10 minutes from now. So stay with us. Let's watch it happening, since a lot of you have asked us today, me and Elif, regarding correlation of assets and correlation of forex pairs. We have wonderful courses regarding correlation between asset classes and between FX pairs. Please, again, feel free to visit our website at trademy.com. We have a great course regarding correlations, and also if you want, you can also arrange a live one-to-one session either with me or with Elif to explain you exactly how to use correlations for arbitrage profiting in Forex and CFDs, indices, and commodities. So we are monitoring again live dollar CAD, and we just concentrated on these two charts. If dollar CAD makes new highs, so we will look for long positions. We definitely want dollar CAD to make new highs. This will assist Aussie dollar to break to the downside and even reach our target today. If not, we will keep this position overnight, and we will talk about it again tomorrow. So that's it for the moment. We are monitoring these two pairs, and let's see what will happen. If I have any other updates, I will let you know, like I did right now. Thank you. Hello again. So we are now monitoring live the correlation between these two pairs. As we can see and expected, the dollar CAD has exploded to the upside. Okay, and Aussie dollar starts to fall. If dollar CAD continues to go up, we will experience the same with Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD moved earlier than Aussie dollar, so it's a race between the two basically. So this is the correlation we have been talking about, the one breaking to the upside, the other one breaking to the downside. As I said, this should not be your decision when you trade. Each FX pair is a different entity. but also correlations exist. And now we are experiencing now a sharp decline in Aussie dollar, like exactly what we have expected. And hopefully very shortly and within the next hour, our take profit target will be hit, guys. I mean, and I repeat, that's a 2,110 US dollars profit on a single trade from Forex trading. We are trading with 5 lots. So we are watching it now live. And if I have any updates, I will update you accordingly. Also, if we see a clear break below this congestion area on Aussie dollar, I will also, of course, change my stop loss and put it much lower or even lock some profits. Since we are going to leave this trade most probably overnight, there is no reason to risk our profits. We are currently making $650. We are aiming for $2,110 and we are waiting for Aussie dollar to drop sharp. So this is Aussie dollar. You see even the size of the candles are more or less the same, so we are doing well for the moment. But as I said many times, unless a take profit is hit, the party cannot start. So that's all for the moment. If I have any updates, I will let you know accordingly. Thank you. Okay, guys, thank you very much. We are back. It seems to have a short position now on Euro Yen. I repeat, we are waiting to enter a short position on Euro Yen. So as soon as we see a close below the highs of yesterday, then most probably we will enter a short position. However, we want confirmation. Is looking great on the 15-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, Euro Yen. Let me check and confirm things on the 5-minute chart. Went above. Okay, as soon as we have a close below yesterday's highs, most probably we will enter a short position. And we will see how it goes. So heads up, we are entering a short position on Euro Yen. Now, yesterday's highs, let's see what yesterday's highs were. So we are looking for a break below this level here, where the red line is. If we have the break, then we will enter, I repeat, a short position on Euro Yen. And we will target the FIBO 50% retracement of yesterday's. Okay, let's see how it goes. So we are waiting for a short position. We are now monitoring Euro Yen. Let's check our Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar, not yet. Let's check our Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD has made new highs. So we are looking for long positions on Dollar CAD since it has made new highs. So new highs on Dollar CAD. Let's check Dollar CAD just to confirm everything. No. We are entering an entry level on Dollar CAD. Okay. So on the 5-minute chart, we do have that. On the 15-minute chart, same setup. So we have also dollar cut, most probably for long or short positions. We will act accordingly. We are closely monitoring it. We definitely want to retest close to the highs, and we will check. So for Euro Yen, hello Fanos. You don't need to know it by heart, but it's a good thing to have in mind. So, and as I said, you are not trading correlations, okay? You are trading each FX pair individually. But sometimes, like we have seen previously on Aussie dollar and dollar CAD, correlations do exist. But we are not trading correlations, fans, okay? Thank you for asking. So we are monitoring Euro Yen, Euro Yen, Euro dollar, nothing. So we're waiting for Euro Yen, and we will see what happens. Thank you very much. Just a quick update. Thank you. Stay with us. So hello here again. It seems that most probably we will have a setup for short positions on Euro Yen. The only thing that we are waiting is for the price to break below the yesterday's highs, and we will initiate our short position. I repeat, we are waiting for the price to close below yesterday's highs. So heads up, please. Most probably we will enter a short position on Euro Yen. That is as soon as the price closes below our yesterday's highs. Everything seems to be ready. Let me double check here my checklists, and just watch our screens, and whenever you see, I will trade it live in front of you. So for the moment we wait, but we are getting there. We are very close to a short position on dollar yen as soon as we see a 5-minute close below yesterday's highs, but we need some other confirmations as well that I need to have. I'm closely monitoring everything, and I will update you and show you. Okay, let's wait. It seems that it will break. I mean, the 5-minute candle ends in 2.5 minutes. So let's see if we will see that break below yesterday's highs. If we see that, that will be a very good trade. Let's see. Let's see. We're waiting. Waiting to get the confirmation. We need a close below yesterday's highs. 129.80 actually. 129, around 129.80. We are closely monitoring that. Let's make a last double check on the list. Okay. All right. We need to wait. As a first step, we definitely need to see a close below yesterday's highs. Usually this is a huge support. Okay, and you can see how the market reacts. So I'm monitoring it, and if we have this trade coming in the next 30 minutes, we will place it live with you and monitor it tomorrow how it went. So we are monitoring it. Stay with us, and we will see what happens. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is getting ready. So basically, we are expecting the price to close below yesterday's highs. All the setups are ready. We have checked everything. So we are just waiting for the price to close below yesterday's highs, and most probably we will enter a short position on Euro Yen. I say most probably that there is a slight scenario of a long position, but for the moment everything indicates a short position. So monitor my screen, and as soon as we shorted it, you will see it live, and also I will connect with you and say that I have shorted it. It can come at any minute now. We're approaching the highs of yesterday. We definitely want to see a 5-minute candle closing below that, so stay with us. Welcome back live. Most probably, if this 5-minute candle closes below the highs of the day, I will go for a short position. So we need to wait for 2-3 more minutes. Don't fall now, wait for us. We are just waiting for the confirmation for a 5-minute candle to close below the highs of yesterday. That's all we need. And we will enter a short position on Euro Yen. We wait for approximately 1 more minute for the 5-minute candle to close in order to get our final confirmation. Don't be in a rush, be patient. So we wait to enter a short position, I repeat, on Euro Yen. We have around 1 more minute, 45 seconds for this candle to close. The only thing that we need is a close below yesterday's highs. If we get that, we will short it. If we don't, then we need to wait a bit more. So we are approaching the take profit target of this position will be at 129.35. So that's approximately a trade of 50 pips. It's quite a lot of, it's a great trade actually. It's a great trade, but only if we get all the confirmations that we need. So we're waiting for, no, we haven't received the confirmation yet. We need to wait for the next 5-minute candle to close and below. Okay, we are still valid if it closes below, so I'll be back. So it seems that we will not place a trade for today on Euro Yen. We will just wait for 5 more minutes. If the setup comes okay, if it doesn't, we will not simply place a trade. No worries, we still have the short Aussie dollar position. We will keep this position overnight and we will look at it again tomorrow together at 8 o'clock UTC time. Is our next live trading room session, 8 o'clock UTC time. So I'm expecting you all to come there. From me and Elif, we would like to wish you a nice evening and keep profiting. Thank you.